Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mom. My name is Maggie and here this week piece. I bought this dresser on a Facebook marketplace. I pay for that. When I saw this I thought it was solid wood, but it's not. This is all laminate. Have these bubbles on the top. It's in really rough shape. When I came in and see this was laminate, I tried to say I don't take it, but it was an old guy and I'm so embarrassed to say I don't want this. And it's a challenge for me, paint this laminate and see how this turns out. The drawers works well, miss some hardware. I don't know if I'm going to keep this hardware or I'm going to change. I'm going to make like a funny pattern on the front drawers, on the top of front drawers, and make this beautiful again. Let's go to start on this baby. I'm going to use cut cutter and a rock. If this piece of wood on the bottom comes off just in one side, that side no have. Later I'm going to pour the plastic protects and I take this bar off. Now I'm going to do a good really sand with 220 with some disc, and I use my round sanding orbit. Because this is laminate, I'm going to apply Zinsser Shellac and primer. Need to be shellac and primer because make sure my paint stick on this laminate. I'm going to apply with the roller. Let's go to primer. To paint which Behr sharp paint in color noir is black. I already load my spray gun. I'm going to apply with my spray gun. Of course I'm going to use my safety mask and light sand between coats with my sanding block. Let's go to paint. I'm going to apply a little bit of the acrylic metallic gold with a brush, sorry, with a roller, just on edges. I'm sorry guys, my camera not record this, but I go do again. I don't know what happened. I'm going to use polyurethane and matte finish, and I'm going to apply with my Wagner spray gun. I will do 3 coats on the top because it's the more busy area, and 2 coats on the body. Here the final results. I cannot expect better results on this dresser. You remember that bubbles has on this side. Turns out so beautiful. I really love how this cheap dresser turns out. I keep the hardware, the original hardware for the bottom of the drawers. I just add these knobs on the top. Can you guys comment below how do you guys think about this laminate dresser turns out? Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy like I did to make. Please like, share and subscribe. That will be super helpful for my channel. Grown. See you next one guys. Bye.